There is a huge dinosaur in the room. It's a trillion-dollar industry that you are not getting a piece of. Construction management is a niche skill set that is currently running out of resource and talents. You do not need to have construction background or architect background to start. I will teach you basic steps and shortcut on how you can begin this lucrative career in a very short time and achieve an easy six-figure income or a rate that can easily go above $300 to $500 an hour. Think of 3 things that are essential for life: food, home, and clothing. These 3 things are the items that human species will forever need. Construction is what provides people with home. In addition, people continue to look for better homes and improve their lifestyle. The resources fueling the world economy increased more than 8% in just 2 years, from 93 billion tons in 2015 to 100 billion in 2017. Since 1970, the human population has doubled, the global economy has grown fourfold, and trade has expanded tenfold, a trajectory that, in the absence of widespread recycling, relentlessly pushes up the demand for new homes and construction. As someone that's been in the industry for almost 2 decades, let me show you how you can get involved in the construction management industry. We are not talking about laborers that are in the field not to discredit their work. Let us focus more on the overall management of construction. As a full disclosure, I am currently in the industry with various certifications and license running projects that value up to $3 billion. First, all you need to start with is reading construction plans. Once you familiarize yourself, you can then proceed into choosing one of 3 careers within construction management. That is 1. Pre-construction, 2. Project management, and 3. Superintendent. For the purpose of this video, we will use project management as the career path. As a project manager for a general contractor, your role is to manage the project from beginning of construction to completion. There will be a lot of tasks and skills to become a senior-level project manager. For this video, we will go over a few topics to become a project manager. Once you have familiarized on reading construction plans, you then need to learn how to process RFI. RFI stands for Request for Information. This is a sophisticated way of asking questions. Questions can come from subcontractors, or it can come from you on items that you believe is missing from the construction drawings to accurately build the project. After you have mastered how to submit, receive, and distribute RFI, you then need to process submittals. Submittals are documents generated by the contractors to verify the material being ordered and installed is in accordance with the construction drawings. It is often general contractor's responsibility to review submittals by its subcontractors. Once submittal is approved by the design team or owner, the subcontractor or contractor will officially order the material for installation. Installation date and time must be coordinated in advance with the superintendent to ensure the timing is in line with other activities. Third and last item we will cover is change order. During the course of construction, it is very common to have change in the cost for the project. This usually comes in form of a change order. For example, general contractor can submit a change order request to the owner because the construction drawing either missed information or had conflict information. As a project manager, you must be fair on the cost and the change order process to ensure all parties can come to an agreement. Without smooth processing of change order, a project often becomes troubled and may result in additional cost impact, schedule impact, and furthermore project to stop. As a project manager, you must manage all aspects of the conflicts, whether that is in cost or schedule. So, we went over the 3 most important aspects of project management, which is part of a construction management skill set. This tutorial was not intended to get into the details of each aspects or skill sets, but rather touch up fundamental tools and subjects that you can start with to become a project manager. I hope that this has provided some guidance and clarity for you to consider your path in such lucrative career. I look forward to getting your feedback on this video to discuss further into the world of construction management.